Welcome to this guided meditation for releasing negative energy and to reconnect with inner peace. Get yourself into a comfortable position. Place your feet firmly on the ground, sitting up straight. Feel your spine tall and strong, and close your eyes. We're going to relax your body by taking 3 deep breaths in, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Take your first deep breath in through your nose now, filling your lungs completely. And release the breath, pushing the air out your mouth. Feel the tension start melting away. Take another deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs. And release your breath through the mouth. Feel your body sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Take one more deep breath in through your nose. Breathe into your belly. And release the breath through your mouth. You feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now, I want you to imagine an energy ball. This ball can be any color you choose. Wherever this ball goes in your body, it's going to loosen up and relax all your muscles. This energy ball is entering through your forehead, and as it does, you feel all the tension and stress in your forehead and brow loosen up. All the muscles completely relax. Now move this energy ball behind your eyes, and as you do, you feel all the tension and stress melting away. The muscles loosen up, becoming more and more relaxed. Now move this energy ball down to your jaw. Feel the stress and tension melt away. The muscles are becoming more and more relaxed. Now move this energy ball down to your neck and shoulders. Feel the tension melting away. The muscles loosen up. Now move this energy ball to your left arm, your left hand. The stress just melts away. The muscles are becoming more and more relaxed. Move this energy ball to your right arm, your right hand. The stress and tension melts away. Your muscles are becoming more and more relaxed. Now move this energy ball to your chest and upper back. Feel the muscles loosen up, becoming more and more relaxed. You can feel your body is sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now move this energy ball down to your stomach and lower spine. Feel the stress just melting away. The muscles are loosening up. Now move this energy ball down to your hips. Feel the stress in your hips completely melting away. The muscles are loosening up, becoming more relaxed. Now move this energy ball to your left leg, your left foot. The muscles loosen up. The stress and tension melts away. Now move the energy ball to your right leg, your right foot. Feel the tension and stress melting away, and your muscles are becoming more and more relaxed. Your body is completely relaxed. You're sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now we are going to take some deep breaths in, and on each exhale, I want you to imagine negative energy, stress, and tension leaving your body through the bottom of your feet in the form of black mist. You're going to send this energy down into the earth, and the earth will absorb it and transform it. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, feel the negative energy, stress, and tension leaving your body. Now take another deep breath in. Breathe in through the nose. And as you exhale, visualize black mist leaving your body through the bottom of your feet down into the earth. Take another deep breath in. Breathe into the belly. And as you exhale, feel the negative energy leave your body through the bottom of your feet. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, send that negative energy down into the earth. Next, I want you to imagine white light coming down from the sky and entering through the crown of your head. And as this white light moves through your body, it's going to fill every part of your body with peace and healing. Imagine this white light coming down through your head. It's coming down your neck and shoulders. You can feel this positive energy. The white light is now moving down your arms. It's now moving down into your heart center. And as it does, you feel a shift in vibration. You feel lighter and more uplifted. You feel this inner peace in your heart, and you can feel your heart expanding more and more. You feel so much love, joy, peace, gratitude. Now this white light is moving down into your stomach. You're feeling lighter and more uplifted. This white light is moving down into your hips. You can feel your vibration is raising higher and higher. Now this white light is moving down your legs, down to your feet, and you feel completely at peace. You feel so much lighter. You feel this positive energy radiating throughout your body. Now repeat these affirmations. I release what no longer serves me. I radiate peace, power, and divine energy. I am a clear channel for love, light, and abundance. Now take another deep breath in through your nose and release it through the mouth. We're going to start bringing your energy back into your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing more energy back into your body. Gently wiggle your head from side to side, bringing more energy and awareness back into your body. You can start stretching your body, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for taking part in this meditation. For the best results, listen every day for 21 days.